How to add a logo animation in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Next, import your logo file by dragging it into the media pool. Make sure your logo is a PNG file with a transparent background for the best results. After that, drag the logo from the media pool onto the timeline above your main video track. Now, select the logo clip on the timeline and open the inspector panel on the top right side. In the inspector, you can animate your logo by keyframing properties like zoom, position, rotation, and opacity. For example, to create a simple zoom in effect, move the playhead to the beginning of the logo clip, set a keyframe for zoom, then move the playhead forward about 1 or 2 seconds, and set another keyframe with zoom. You can also add rotation by setting keyframes for the rotation angle in a similar way, or create a fade-in by animating the opacity from 0 to 100. Adjusting the timing between keyframes lets you control how fast or slow the animation plays. You can combine multiple keyframes to create smooth movements or bouncing effects. Don't forget to preview your animation regularly to make sure it looks natural and fits your video style. Finally, render your project to see the logo animation in action. And that's it. Now you know how to add a logo animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.